Hi guys, I'm back again. Happy Tuesday. I got this weird glare coming in from my windows, but that's not important. I can move back a little bit. So just want to say hi, and I left a link in the description of this video for a free LinkedIn masterclass that I'm doing tonight from 7:30 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, going over simplistic ways of how to generate leads on LinkedIn. And I'm going to take you through that process specifically tonight. Hey, David. Hey, Jim. So if you guys would like to register, obviously click the link, register, and I'll see you tonight. I do also have a free gift for anyone that does share this. So you can share this into a private team group or on your personal page. Use the hashtag #IShared in the comment section below, and I will send you that gift a little bit later. Hi, Roseanne. So please join me tonight. There's going to be some great content. It's only 30 minutes in and out. You're going to take away so much. So definitely click that link or type "I do," and I can always drop the link to you in the comment section below as well. So please definitely share this. Use the hashtag #IShared, and I will send you a free gift from me. So what I wanted to go over with you guys today are 3 simple keys, and I like keeping things very simple, very easy, and very tangible to succeed in network marketing, because I do hear a lot of people that are struggling. They wish things were a little bit different. And again, I want to be the one to obviously help you guys in establishing more of a consistency in building your business. So as Roseanne has done, just type in "I do," and I will send you the link for that. So I sent that link right there. James, welcome. And if you guys are jumping on, say hi and where you're coming in from. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, some hearts, some thumbs, some smiley faces, just so I know this is resonating. And these 3 keys right here, and I'm going to hold the cards up because I do want you guys to write these things down, because I want you to really, really succeed with all of this. I love breaking things down nice and easy. So definitely register tonight. Share this and use the hashtag #IShared, and I will send you a free gift later. So for those that are jumping on, please say hi and where you're coming in from. You're so welcome, Roseanne. So today we're going to go over 3 simple keys for success in network marketing. So if you're ready for key number 1, type in number 1 in the chat box, or Y or yes in the chat box, and we will hit the ground running, because again, I want to keep this simple, streamlined, and easy for you guys. Now, these are 3 simple keys, and I suggest for you to write them down, stick them somewhere where you can actually look at it, because it really is this simple. So, number 1, you want to build on social media. The days of going to networking events, the days of going to meetups, and all of those days are long gone. You have to create new connections, new relationships, and new conversations every single day. And again, you have to think about, where am I creating these new connections, relationships, and conversations? Obviously, I'm privy to LinkedIn because it provides for that. But if you're going to be using Facebook, if you're going to be using Instagram, make sure that you are building your business on social media, creating new connections, new relationships, and new conversations. So Andrew, welcome. And again, click the link above, or just type in "I do," and I will drop you the link to register for tonight's free LinkedIn masterclass on lead generation. Very simple keys, and I go over that tonight, 30 minutes in and out. So Brian and Kelly, welcome. So if this is all making sense, Janet, my good friend, good to see you on here. Love you so much, miss you so much. So if you're just jumping on, say hi and where you're coming in from. And again, please share this video with as many people as you can. Marcus Thomas, my brother, good to see you. Use hashtag #IShared. I will send you a free gift. But also, I am doing a free LinkedIn masterclass tonight from 7:30 to 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. type in I do or click the link above in the description of this to register for the class. Andrea, good to see you coming on. So again, number one, build on social media, new connections, new relationships, new conversations. If that makes sense, Y or yes in the chat box. And if you're ready for tip number two, type a number 2 in the chat box. And again, if you would like to be a part of tonight's masterclass, type in I do. I will drop you the link to register or click it above. And please share this in your team pages, your personal pages, and use the hashtag I shared, and I will send you a free gift later today from me. So again, if it makes sense, Y or yes in the chat box. And if you're ready for tip number 2, type a number 2 in the chat box, just so I know that you guys are with me. It's loud and clear, and you know exactly what needs to be done. Because again, these are very, very simplistic things that everyone can do, no matter how new or old you are to the network marketing game. All of these things work if you take the action required to. So, number 2, more leads equals more enrollments. Very simple. Your number one job in network marketing is to create more leads. Without more leads and without conversations, there are no enrollments. I can't stress this enough, guys. I hear so many people and I talk to so many people that are absolutely frustrated because they are not enrolling enough people. And again, on tonight's masterclass on LinkedIn at 7:30, which you can click in the link above or type in I do, and I will send you that link. I'm going to go over how you can specifically create those leads like crazy on LinkedIn like that. Because there was a girl that I interviewed last night, one of my amazing clients, Michelle Smith. And I said, prior to me teaching you LinkedIn, how many lead calls per week about the business did you have? And she said 0. And I said, how many calls did you have last week about the business? And she said, I had 18 calls and 5 I have a follow-up with this week with information that was being sent to them. So she went from having 0 business calls per week to 18. She 18x'd her business calls. Type Y or yes in the chat box if you would like that to be you. Because I see and I hear so many people that are just so frustrated with where they want their business to be compared to where it is, because they just feel like they're not really sure what to do. And I want everyone to succeed. I really do. Because the more leads you have, the more enrollments you're going to have. Hi, Regina. So again, if you guys want to be a part of tonight's masterclass, type in I do or click the link above and absolutely register for this, because it's in about 2.5 hours. It's a quick 30 minutes in, 30 minutes out. So if that makes sense, Y or yes in the chat box, and please share this with your networks. I want you guys to start encouraging, and I want you guys to start engaging and letting people know, hey, listen, there's a simpler way, there's an easier way. And if all this is resonating, give me some hearts, give me some thumbs, some wow faces, some smiley faces, just so I know you guys are really taking something away from this. Because I truly do want everyone to succeed the utmost possibly that they can with their network marketing opportunity. So again, number 1, build on social media, new connections, new relationships, new conversations every single day. More leads equals more enrollments. So if you guys are ready for the third and final simple tip, please type Y or yes in the chat box and a number 3, and I will go into the third and simplest tip. James Andrews, good to see you on here again. And Regina, I just dropped that link to you. Exactly, Roseanne. That's like, I'm telling you, it's that easy. Simple is easy. That's the way that we want this. Okay, number 3, and this is the biggest shift that people need to make. Doing this, because again, the saying goes, what you focus on is what you manifest. So if you focus on what I'm going to go over right here, if you focus on this, you make this your intention, you make this your focus every single day of this year, you will see a change in your business. So I want you guys to focus on team building rather than product coaching. Focus on team building rather than product coaching. Focus on team building rather than product coaching. If you guys want to build deep, if you guys want to build a sustainable business, if you guys want to create massive residual income, it is not going to come from doing product coaching. It's going to come from building a team. Because just imagine if you had 10 people that were just like you, committed to this business, committed to building a team. It doesn't take a lot of people to make this business model work. But what is being taught and what people are focusing on is just the products. The products will only take you so far. If you really want to succeed in network marketing, then you focus on team building rather than product coaching. And I see it in all businesses. I have friends that are in multiple businesses. They're in Advocare, they're in Beachbody, they're in Isogenics, they're in Nerium, which is Neora now. They're in Rodan and Fields, and all they're doing is coaching their people through product experiences. That doesn't build your business. It builds your customer base. So now your entire livelihood and your income is based off of people just getting products. And people will do what they want to do. They will order or they will not order. But if you change that focus and you focus on team building rather than product coaching, your business will change. So guys, again, 3 simple keys for success in network marketing. Number 1, you got to build on social media. You got to create new connections, new relationships, new conversations. Number 2, more leads equals more enrollments, plain and simple. My client, Michelle, last night, she used to have 0 calls per week. After doing what we're doing on LinkedIn, she's got 18 calls last week, 5 follow-ups. That will change your business. And number 3, focus on team building rather than product coaching. Build a team, find your tribe, create that residual income. So guys, again, if you are interested in joining my free LinkedIn Masterclass tonight, 7:30 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, either type I do in the chat box if you're on the replay or live now, or just click the link in the description. You can register, hold your spot, and I will see you there. So guys, as always, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.